Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on EXP22 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment AutoSales. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assignment without any confusion. If you need any help with my lab, IT assignment, quizzes, simulation exams or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also showing on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, computer science courses, website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, programming languages, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, C#. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assignment and go through it step by step. There are total 21 questions of this assignment. Here is the title of our assignment: EXP22 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment AutoSales. Here is the project description. You work for Rockwell AutoSales and have been asked to aid in the development of a spreadsheet to manage sales and inventory information. You will start the task with a prior worksheet that contains vehicle information and sales data for 2018. You need to convert the data to a table. You will manage the large worksheet, prepare the worksheet for printing, sort and filter the table, include calculations and then format the table. Now move to the question number 1. Start Excel, download and open the file name EXP25 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment AutoSales. Grader has automatically added to your last name. Last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download Excel workbook from my IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from my lab IT dashboard. Here is the file. You can see that. First, we enable the editing. Now move to the question number 2. Convert the data in range A1 to F104 on the fleet information worksheet to a table. Name the table inventory and apply the gold table style medium 19. Basically, in this question you will have to convert the data in range A1 to F104 on the fleet information worksheet to a table, and then name the table as inventory and then apply the color gold. Now move to the workbook, and in this field you will select the range, go to insert tab, click on table, add the table range, data range, then click OK. Our raw data converted into table format. Now we have enter a name of table is inventory. In the table design section, go to properties, then you can see the table name text field. You will have to add a table name inventory, and then apply the gold table style medium 19. In the table design section, go to table styles, click on the drop down, and you can select the table format gold. As you can see that the gold format are applied on this table. Remove question number 2 are completed. Now move to the question number 3. Remove duplicate records. Basically, in this question you will have to remove the duplicate records that are exist in the table. Simply select the whole table, then go to the table design, and in the tools section you can see that remove duplicates tab. You can tab on this and then press OK. 3 duplicates values found and removed. So 100 unique values remains. You can see that there are 3 duplicate values are found in this table, and then press OK. Move to the instruction file. Question number 3 are done. Now move to the question number 4. Sort the table by make in alphabetical order. Add a second level to sort by year, smallest to largest, and a third level to sort by sticker price, smallest to largest. Basically, in this question, you will have to sort a table by make in a alphabetical order, and add second level to sort by year, smallest to largest, and then add third level to sort the sticker price, smallest to largest. First, we sort the table by make in alphabetical order. Move to the workbook. Go to the home tab. Then go to the editing section. You can see that sort and filter option. Click on this and then custom. You can add a level 1. Click on sort by drop down and select make that represent the column name that are in the second number of table, and add second level to sort by year, smallest to largest. Move to the workbook. And click on add level button. You can see that the second level are added. In the then by field, you can select the year, and then the order the field you can select smallest to largest. Move to the instruction file. And the third part of this question is the third level to sort by sticker price, smallest to largest. Move to the Excel workbook, then press on add level button. You can add the third level of this table, and in then by section you can select sticker price, and in order by drop down you can select smallest to largest and press OK. You can see that the filter are applied on this table. Question number 4 are done. Now move to the question number 5. Set the field names to repeat on all pages when printed. And then go to the page layout section, then go to page setup and click on down arrow button. You can see that the pop-up. Click on sheets, and in rows to repeat at top text field, select the table header range, basically in this question I have set the top rows that are repeated on every page in the printing. Question number 5 are done. Now move to the question number 6. Change page breaks so each vehicle make is printed on a separate page. In this question you will have to change the page break on each vehicle make is printed on a separate page. Move to the Excel workbook, then click on view tab, then click on then go to workbook views, page break previews button. Click on this. As you can see that make is printed you can see that we have a drag up to the sheet, and you can see that this is the second page and third page. Now we have set according to our requirements. Go to insert tab, then add breaks, page breaks. Question number 6 are done. Now move to the question number 7. Freeze the first row on the fleet information worksheet. Basically in this question you will have to freeze the first row in the fleet information worksheet. Now move to the Excel workbook, then start working on this. Click on header row that are representing the table name, column names. Then go to page layout section and then go to page setup. Click on print titles and then go to view tab. View tab, you can select freeze panes, drop down, then click on freeze panes. You can see that the freeze panes are working correctly. You can see that I have scrolled down, but the upper rows are in the freeze. Question number 7 are done. Now move to the question number 8. Add a footer with your name on the left side, the sheet name code in the center, and the file name code on the right side. Now go to the page layout tab, then go to page setup and click on down arrow, header and footer section. Click on this, then click on custom footer. In the left section you will add your name, Williams, enter, and in the center section, and then file name to the right section, then press OK. Question number 8 are done. Now move to the question number 9. Click or navigate to the sales information worksheet and convert the data to a table. Name the table sales and apply the green table style dark 11. Basically in this question you will have to click or navigate to the sales information worksheet and convert the data to the table. Go to the sales information sheet and convert the data to a table. And go to insert tab. In the table, select range, then press OK. All the table ranges are selected, then press OK. Our data are converted into the table format, and name the table sales. You will have to give the name to this table sales, and then apply the green table style dark 11. In the table design section, go to table style group, click on drop down, then select this color. You can see that the style are applied as a green color. Question number 9 are done. Now move to the question number 10. Type percentage of sticker in cell E1. Move to the Excel workbook. Go to the cell E1. Type the text percentage of sticker in cell E1. Question number 10 are done. Now move to the question number 11. Create a formula with structured references to calculate the percentage of the sticker price in column E. Basically, in this question you will have to create a formula with structured reference and calculate the percentage of sticker price in column E. The column E, I have already added a new column, percentage of sticker equals to, select the sale price divided by sticker price and then press enter. You can see that the values are calculated in percentage of sticker. We have now completed 11 questions of this assignment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also showing on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching.